Thank you for your view today. We're here in beautiful Villa Park, California, showing you this magnificent wine cellar with capacity for 775 bottles. We use millésime wine racks here, utilizing the aluminum anodized black wine racks with walnut joints. Come on, let me show you inside. The customer's larger collection, most of it is 90% red wine, coming from California. He has collections like from Quintessa, Farniente, Heights, many of them from Oakville, from Napa Valley. We also did this space, we made this space for 20 Magnum bottles of Quintessa, in its majority of Quintessa, in this large format here. We also backlit this wine cellar, adding LED strips to each post on the back of it. And we are refrigerating the wine cellar with a 3600 RM system up in the ceiling. Of the 775 bottles that we create the space for, we also made this special space for 20 Magnums, 21 to be specific, in this area. So the way this room was created was by demoing. This was part of the living room. We demoed the whole walls. We insulated with spray foam, going through all the crevices to keep the refrigeration inside the wine cellar and avoid any of the air escaping. We also installed an RM 3600 cooling system made by LRC and use this thermostat to keep it. Right now it's showing 59 degrees because we've just opened the door, but this stays between 60 and 55 degrees. We also made this with iron wine cellars, created this grill that they supplied the grill, we installed it. So as you can see, it's not visible at all. So this wine cellar was created along with the walls. They were extended a little bit further this way. The frames we used for this wine cellar, they were custom made frames, especially for a wine cellar, insulated on the inside, 2x2 steel frames, powder coated with dual pane glass, insulated with argon. And as you can see, if you get closer to it, you cannot hear a single buzz of the coil, keeping it completely quiet.